Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Metrotown Condominium by Pinma Properties. Ito nga pala ang kanilang model studio unit. So sa mga interested at gustong makita yung actual, pwede naman kayong bumisita dito sa Metrotown Condominium by Pinma Properties located at Marcos Alvarez, Barangay Talon 5, Moonwalk, Las Piñas City. Ayan, so makikita nyo naman itong 2-bedroom unit. Yan, meron silang laundry area. And then, ito yung kanilang 1-bedroom. And sala. And another bedroom. And then, yan, meron silang closet area, kitchen area, and dining area. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.